They present a magnificent design, impressive performance and a rear camera that is possibly the best we have seen in a star phone available worldwide. The problem with the new Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, however, is that they are apparently very similar to the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus phones of last year. With the launch of Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus now behind us, we now turn our attention to the next big launch of the company, which could come even sooner than expected. According to a report issued last week, Samsung may have plans to launch the Galaxy Note 9 a little earlier than planned. The reason for the supposed early release would be double. First, an earlier version of Galaxy Note 9 could help Samsung compensate for the slow sales of Galaxy S9. Second, it would give the new flagship phone some additional time in stores before the next successors of Apple's iPhone X come out in September. According to rumors, the next Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will have similar specifications to the Galaxy S9 Plus along with a similar design to the Galaxy Note 8. It is expected that the phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset or an Exynos 9810 chipset depending on the region, and will feature a refreshed Super AMOLED screen that will undoubtedly be among the best the world has ever seen. The biggest remaining mystery is likely whether the phone will have a fingerprint sensor on the screen or not. Some reports have said yes, while others claim that Samsung still has manufacturing difficulties and will have no choice but to keep the fingerprint scanner on the back of the Galaxy Note 9.